All right, guys, so today our focus is lower abs, okay? Lower abs is hip internal rotation, right? So what we're going to do is squeeze a block between our knees, okay? And what we're going to need is a floor, a wall, and a block, all right? And so I'm just going to demonstrate these drills here. And what I want you to do is we're going to perform them for anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds. I'm going to do a round with you, and I'm just going to go ahead and do 12 reps here. So first drill, I'm going to get the block between my knees here. I'm going to put my hands on my head. Now, my target is kind of the wall in front of me, or the boxes in front of me that you can barely see. But what's going to happen is, as I go out, as I extend out, and I'll show you this way, as I extend out, my legs go like that. So they don't just go straight, they kind of, my feet go out, all right? That's going to help us to turn our abs on a little bit more. So we take a deep breath in at the top here. We're going to exhale and go out. You'll find it really hits your lower abs hard. Breathe in at the top. Exhale as you come apart. All right, now for this next drill, you rest for about 10 seconds. We're going to extend our legs out. We're going to bring them out a little bit. And all I want you to do is we're going to toe tap like this. Just going to continue to do this and take 12 breaths. Keep your back in the ground. Ooh, that one really burned. All right, this last exercise here. We're going to take the block, we're going to put it between our knees here, okay? And again, I'm bringing my feet a little bit apart, so it'd be like almost like that. I'm not just straight back, it's kind of like apart this way. And what we do, we breathe in here, we exhale and extend out. All right, guys, perform for 3 to 5 rounds. Give that a go. Let me know if you have any questions.